AirShield self-adhering air and vapor barrier and flashing membrane is part of a total W.R. Meadows system to protect the building enclosure. The membrane's controlled thickness is fabricated from cross-laminated polyethylene bonded to specially modified asphalt. This unique, self-adhesive membrane, protected by a special release paper, is strong and durable. It remains flexible when surface mounted and will adhere to most primed surfaces at a minimum temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. For applications at lower temperatures, consider the use of AirShield LT or XLT. The membrane provides excellent protection as a tough barrier that won't shrink, sag, dry out, crack, or rot. It offers excellent resistance to punctures during installation. The self-healing characteristics of AirShield facilitates recovery if minimal damage is sustained under normal use applications, like penetrating it with self-tapping screws or nails. Primary applications include cavity and masonry wall construction. AirShield works equally well as an air and/or vapor barrier on precast concrete, cast-in-place concrete, concrete block masonry, interior and exterior gypsum board, primed steel, aluminum mill finish, rigid foam insulation, primed galvanized metal, drywall, and plywood. Before applying AirShield, prepare the substrate according to manufacturer's instructions. All surfaces to which AirShield is to be applied must be addressed with W.R. Meadows Mel Prime or Mel Prime WB adhesive. Mel Prime may be applied to an area that is to be covered the same day. Uncovered areas must be readdressed the next day. All surfaces to be protected with AirShield must be clean of oil, dust, and excess mortar. They must also be dry, frost-free, and smooth without large voids, spalled areas, or sharp protrusions. Concrete must be cured a minimum of 14 days and must be dry before AirShield is applied. Where curing compounds are used, they must be clear, resin-based, and without oil, wax, or pigments. AirShield can be applied at a minimum temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. AirShield Low Temp is a version of AirShield designed for cold weather conditions and can be used in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -7 degrees Celsius. AirShield XLT can be applied in extra low temperatures as low as 0 degrees Fahrenheit or -18 degrees Celsius. Apply membrane to the previously primed surface by removing the release paper and rolling the membrane firmly into place. Remove the release paper only as the membrane is being applied. Be sure that the membrane is fully adhered and remove all wrinkles and/or fish mouths. Cut the AirShield membrane with a utility knife to detail around protrusions and masonry reinforcing. Seal all end laps and protrusions with W.R. Meadows pointing mastic. Overlap subsequent courses of membrane with a minimum of 2 inches. Vertical terminations of AirShield should either be tied into the wall system or mechanically fastened with W.R. Meadows termination bar. AirShield is not designed for permanent exposure, so apply insulation as soon as possible to protect the air barrier. When used as a flexible wall flashing, AirShield should be recessed a ½ inch from the face of the masonry. Flashing should not be permanently exposed to sunlight. Do not allow the rubberized asphalt surface of the flashing membrane to come in contact with sealants containing solvents, creosote, uncured coal tar products, EPDM, or PVC components. Complete application directions, drawing information, and precautions are on the container. For more information on AirShield products, call your local W.R. Meadows branch office at 1-800-342-5976 or visit the W.R. Meadows website at www.wrmeadows.com. W.R. Meadows is a leading manufacturer of concrete construction, concrete repair and restoration, and building envelope products and systems available worldwide through an authorized distributor network. Our products are backed by our reputation for quality, service, and integrity. For complete information on this product and any others offered by W.R. Meadows, visit our website and review our product in detail. You can also call us toll-free at 1-800-825-5976 or contact your local authorized W.R. Meadows distributor. W.R. Meadows is also on social media, so be sure to connect with us on our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and YouTube accounts.